Hey YouTube, this is the unboxing of the new PS3 or the old PS3, but this is the red version. It's only 12 gigabytes, but let's see what it comes in. So we're opening the box. I think it's exactly as the old one, but in this one we have the red version, and as you can see, this is a red controller, which is really nice actually. If you compare it to the old one, it's almost the same, it's just red. And this is the PS4 controller, so I mean you should know the difference between the three. Let's continue to see what's in the box of this PlayStation. And here we have another box with some, I think it's some tape. Let's peel that out. The PlayStation. And we have the second controller, because in this version here we have two controllers in the box. The power cord, the USB cable to charge it, and we don't have an HDMI cable here, we have the normal one, but it's okay, we can buy one. The adapter for the TV. And finally, we have the new PS3. So it looks nice actually. It's not bad at all. It's actually tiny. It's tiny, but it's actually it's not bad. I mean, here if you take the tape off, so it should open this way. So as you can see, put here the CD, and you close it like that. Have here the USB plugs and all the normal connectors here. So all this is it. It's not much different. So let's compare it to the Slim one. As you can see, I mean, it's pretty small. This is the Slim one, but now this is the Slim one. So I do like it. It's nice. So that's the PS3.